Welcome back to my channel, guys. So this is an unveiling of my new mod. I'm going to unbox some new mods I've got today, which are going on the RS. Obviously with the RS, I'm not going to go cheap with some parts that you can put onto it, which I would have possibly have done with the TT, but with the RS I want to do everything really well. So I have gone a little bit more crazy with this mod. Let's unveil what I've bought for the new RS. Gives it away. Automotive Passion. Look at this, carbon side skirts. Oh, they are beautiful. Look like they only fix by this point here and that point there. There's no other fixings. Okay. Right, so this one, funny enough, is in 3 parts. This should be the front splitter. That looks wicked. I cannot wait to get that on. So, there it is, the new mod. The next one's gonna be fitting it. I'll catch you guys later.